Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for the support by viewing my content. Hopefully, if you do like this content, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, share with your friends. This is a video series of rebuilding a 2013 STI. We're replacing a motor that had a rod knock, and we're replacing with the IAG fully built motor with the proper fuel system and everything. So stay tuned. This is video number 2. This is gonna be a long series. There's a lot to do. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start taking apart the motor and go from there. So again, appreciate it. If you do like the content, once again, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, let's get to this. Quick jacks. Gotta love the quick jacks. It's a little tighter over here. Sorry, guys. So this is kind of like my workspace. I mean, that's why I love it. Just a few minutes, boom, boom. Car's all lifted up. This is my workspace. Unfortunately, I got a stroller back here, but I cleaned out. Oops, I cleaned out my my cart here. I have a nice work spot here. I got empty area for parts and another empty area for parts in here. So that's good. So that is very good. Yeah, it's time to take this thing apart. I'm gonna drain coolants. Start with that first. I'm not gonna drain the oil because there's no oil in it for the most part. There's probably a little bit of oil, but I'll deal with that later. Yeah, it's got turn 2. Get this thing done. Have a nice day. All right, let's go. All right, everybody. Hey, appreciate you guys viewing the content. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try and keep this video series short as far as like video wise, because I don't want to bore you guys. But the Super, I think, is a little more entertaining because it was a little more in depth. But with these videos, I'm gonna probably make them like 10 minutes or longest 15 minutes. So if you guys saw, I was started taking apart pieces of the motor, getting some parts are ready for powder coat, because we're gonna send quite a bit of parts out for powder coating, like the radiator, the intake manifold, and a bunch of other stuff. We do have the all the parts came in, so we do have the new turbo and everything for it. So we'll do a little bit of side-by-side turbo comparison, probably the next video. We have the full Cobb fuel system, but before we get all there, we had to, take this motor apart, send stuff out for powder coat, and then from there, gonna go ahead and assemble the new motor, because we gotta put the timing components on and all the sensors and all the hoses on from the old motor to the new motor. I've never done this with the Subaru before, so there's a lot to learn from me. It's a great learning process. So I'm gonna be taking my time. So this video series hopefully will be a long video series with shorter videos. And also too, I've been having a lot of issues with my phone that is for videography or for vlogging, whatever. And it was like, it comes with a microphone and all this other stuff, and it was like over $200 on Apple Store, and as of late, it's just terrible. I mean, the videos are failing, they're not saving, so that's something I have to deal with right now. It's really frustrating, because there's been a couple videos already where I do a task, I complete that task, and I go to turn off or to stop the video, and I stop the video, then the video can't save. I'm not sure what that's all about. Or sometimes a microphone that came with cut off. So it's real frustrating. So some little technical difficulties I've been having to deal with ever since the Super build. Now it's just getting progressively worse. So I may have to contact some customer service folks. I forget the name of the company, but I also don't want to blow them out the water on a YouTube channel either. So yeah, so just a lot more to come. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll try not to talk too much. You guys have a nice week. You take care. Be safe. Take care of your loved ones. All right? I'm out. Peace.